you pitched quite a while ago the idea of us working together on some full stack Dart.
Obviously, in an ideal scenario, we'd probably pull out all the logic from the widget and put that in the class in the back end that we can test independently of the UI.
Yeah, I don't know how testable the code that we're going to write today will be.
This allows the network connections not to be from just inside your GCP virtual network. It can be coming from external.
What are you, my dad?
Basically, we get this WebSocket channel, and basically what we're doing here is we're saying we want to listen on the incoming streams, and when we get a message, in this case dynamic, and then in the response we get the sync, which is how we send data back on this connection, and that's when we hit add echo.